Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mansoor Bilal and you are watching CGH Tutors. In this tutorial I will show you that how you can edit your comps and different typography settings in Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2017 and After Effects CC 2017. But let me fix first the After Effects layout. So right now I am having two screens and maybe you are having some problems related to two screens, so let me switch it to back to normal so you will be able to see the whole thing. And as you can see, I am having multiple layers of different text and I am also having some audio. So I will adjust this all text according to audio. So I will copy word by word and I will paste layers in correct order. Like in first layer I will paste one word, then I will copy I learned, then I will paste I learned there, and first we switch this layer to end, then copy the next word. So I am pasting to next upper layer and then I am doing the same process again and again. So first let me copy all the text and put into layers, then I will come back in this tutorial. So all text are pasted into these layers. So I'm gonna reorder all layers to getting more impactful result. So now the text is pasted and now I will make reorder all the layers and I will adjust the layers one by seeing the audio levels and voiceover waves form. So I am using voiceover. Unfortunately I am not able to put a voiceover sound in this video, but I am matching layer one by one. You can see in order to match the voiceover layout. So I made this tutorial fast forward for showing you and giving you the idea that how you can readjust and reorder layers according to your text and according to your voiceover. And after pasting text you need to reorder the layers for giving visual aesthetics, that layers should be represent the whole idea by one and in a sequence order, and then after that you can also match the text timing according to voiceover. Basically this tutorial was about the giving you idea that how dynamic link works in Premiere Pro 2017 and After Effects 2017. Basically for the dynamic link you must have both software in a similar year version. Like if you are using After Effects 2017, then you must have Premiere Pro 2017 with the specific serial number and all that. After saving that layout in After Effects, then you can go back to Premiere Pro 2017 and you will have that comp in Premiere Pro 2017, and then you can double click on that comp and it will show you in Program Monitor, and then you can check in and out and grab that to timeline. So you will have that into your timeline, and make sure every time you save in After Effects then you see final result in Premiere Pro. And I already told you that for getting the proper order for both software, that if you want to work them both in a proper order, then you need to keep one thing in mind, then both software should be the same version at the same year. Like if you are using 2017, then they must be 2017 and the specific version, because sometime your Adobe get updates and your one software got updated by automatically by itself and your another software is not, so it will giving you the problems again and again. So you need to avoid that for getting smooth results. So as you can see, I saved that layer in After Effects and I am having the same layer in Premiere Pro 2017. I never imported in this. Actually I created the new layer and I created the shortcut in Premiere Pro and the shortcut I kept is W. So every time when I press W, so it will take me to After Effects and it will create a new comp that will be in After Effects, but when you will work in that comp and you save the thing, that same comp you will have in Adobe Premiere Pro 2017 or whatever the version you are using, and you can use that comp by marking in and out markers, or you can fully grab and paste into timeline, and you can use according to your own scenes and your own scenario. So that's it. I hope you got the point that how you will use the dynamic links and After Effects. So it's based on you can put anything in After Effects comp, so you will have back the same thing in Premiere Pro. You don't need to render the full sequence from After Effects and then you will have that sequence in Premiere Pro. With dynamic link you have only this advantage, that you don't need to render every time and each file from After Effects to Premiere Pro. So I hope you got the point. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit the bell icon, so you will have notification when I will upload new videos, and I will bring more tutorials into this channel. And stay tuned and keep watching. Allah Hafiz and thank you.